Hello viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. Today we have Mr. Anirudh with us from Goodwe. A very warm welcome to EQ, sir.
Thank you.
Can you just let us know about EQ and the products you are offering this REI 2025?
Sure. So, Goodwe is a tier 1 inverter manufacturer company. It's been about 15 years. In fact, we are celebrating our 15th anniversary of our opening. And in India, if we talk about India, we are in Indian market since 2016 and 17. It's an end-to-end solution for inverter and battery solutions product for portfolio. Our inverters start from 1 kilowatt in a micro inverter and residential series and go up to 350 kilowatt. So we have everything as a one-stop solution for your inverter requirement needs that way. And what was the other question?
What are your strategies for the coming year?
Okay. So in the coming year, we've recently, looking at the Indian market requirements and growth, we've recently launched our hybrid inverter range. That is from 3 kilowatt to 20 kilowatt right now. And with battery pack solutions, we've also launched a C&I inverter range in 150 kilowatt. So now we have C&I inverter range starting from 30 kilowatt to 150 kilowatt. Hybrid range is also there. Then we also have utility scale range starting from 250, 320 and 350 kilowatt.
What are your plans for distribution of the products?
Yeah. So in terms of distribution, we keep pan-India distribution partners. And we've got multiple, 5 or 6 multiple pan-India distribution partners who anybody can reach out. And we do distribute our products that way. We also have a direct sales method where the customers can directly reach out to us. There's obviously a MOQ for that, but we also entertain direct sales that way.
Any exciting product launches or innovations you have planned for this year?
Yes, I'm quite excited about our commercial inverter, which we've recently launched. That is 150 kilowatt C&I inverter in GT series. That is going to be the key differentiator, I believe, in the inverter C&I segment. We have also launched our hybrid range of inverters with battery pack. We have 2 different 3-phase and single-phase inverter models. And looking at the market trend right now, I think hybrid range of inverters is again going to be a high-pace selling product for us in the Indian market under PMSGY and other schemes.
That's great, sir. All the best for your upcoming projects and thank you for being with us.